So let us solve one more problem on properties of triangle. In triangle ABC, show that a plus b plus c of tan of a by 2 plus tan b by 2 equals to 2c times cot c by 2. So in order to solve this problem, we need to recall a plus b plus c, that is 2s. The whereas tan of a by 2 is equal to s minus b s minus c by delta, and tan b by 2 equals to s minus c s minus a by delta. So after prior simplification, so we can prove that 2c times s into s minus c by delta, whereas s into s minus c by delta is nothing but cot of c by 2. So in such a manner we can solve this problem. This is the planning to solve this problem. So let us start this problem now. Solution. So let us consider left hand side. A plus b plus c, okay, tan of a by 2 plus tan of b by 2. Now we need to recall off angle formulae. So that is a plus b plus c multiplied by tan of a by 2 is equal to s minus b s minus c by delta plus this is s minus c s minus a by delta. So now this a plus b plus c is being replaced by 2s. This is 2s. Now here LCM is delta. What can you write now? S minus b multiplied by s minus c plus s minus c multiplied by s minus a. Okay. Now in the numerator we can take out s minus c common out, and also delta. We get 2 times s into s minus c by delta. Okay, we have this is taken out, these two, s minus b plus s minus a. So let it be simplified. So 2 times s into s minus c by delta times 2s minus b minus a. Again the 2s is replaced by a plus b plus c. So we get now 2 times s into s minus c by delta, okay, multiplied by, having been replaced 2s by a plus b plus c, we have a plus b plus c minus of what we have here, minus b and minus a, minus b and minus a. See, b gets cancelled, a gets cancelled, we have c. So that means this can be written 2c times s into s minus c by delta. Once again let us recall what does s into s minus c by delta stand for. So it stands for, using this off angle formulae, this is nothing but cot of c by 2. So instead of s into s minus c by delta, let us substitute cot c by 2, so that we just get the value of, that is 2c cot c by 2. It will be proved. So now s into s minus c by delta is replaced by cot c by 2. So we can write 2c times cot c by 2. This is RHS, you can check it. So this is RHS. Hence it is proved. So let us solve one more problem. If cot a by 2 is to cot b by 2 is to cot c by 2 equals to 3 is to 5 is to 7, then show that a is to b is to c is equal to 6 is to 5 is to 4. So now regarding to this problem, we need to recall the formula for cot a by 2, cot b by 2, cot c by 2 using off angled formulae. cot of a by 2 is s into s minus a by delta. Cot b by 2 is equal to s into s minus b by delta. Now we can expect cot c by 2 value, that is s into s minus c by delta. So let us substitute. Being a ratio, this is actually delta delta gets cancelled and s also gets cancelled. So s minus a is to s minus b is to s minus c also same 3 is to 5 is to 7. With the help of this s minus a is to s minus b is to s minus c, we will get the a value, b value, c value, then find out the ratio among a, b, c. So that is the method we have to adopt regarding to this problem. So now let us recall the off-angled formulae to the respective cot a by 2, cot b by 2, cot c by 2. So let us solve it now. Solution here given. Cot a by 2 is to cot b by 2 is to cot c by 2. So equals to 3 is to 5 is to 7. Let us write cot a by 2, that is s into s minus a by delta is to, what is the value of cot b by 2? Yes, you are correct, that is s into s minus b by delta is to, what is the formula for cot c by 2? So that is s into s minus c by delta. All these three formulae are to be recalled now. So this equals to 3 is to 5 is to 7. Because it's a ratio among these three, so s by delta, s by delta, s by delta gets cancelled. So we get now, that implies we can write like this. Having been cancelled s by delta, s by delta, s by delta like this, s by delta, s by delta. So we have s minus a is to s minus b is to s minus c equals to 3 is to 5 is to 7. So in the planning session already we have discussed. So again this can be rewritten as like this, s minus a by 3 equals to s minus b by 5 equals to s minus c by 7. So as to find out the values of a is to b is to c, or the values of a, b, c, so we need to say each ratio of the value, let us consider some constant. Let us say s minus a by 3 equals to s minus b by 5 equals to s minus c by 7 equal to k, where k does not equal to 0. You consider like that. So if you equate these two, s minus a by 3 equals to k means s minus a equals to 3k, say equation 1. Okay. Similarly, if you consider s minus b by 5 equals to k, we get s minus b is equal to 5k, say this is equation 2. Similarly, you can expect the third equation also, that can be formed by equating these two values. S minus c by 7 is equal to k, s minus c is equal to 7k, say equation 3. Here adding equation 1 and equation 2 and equation 3, the first let us see what do we get it. See, adding equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Adding these three equations, just observe s minus a plus s minus b plus s minus c. What do you get it? That is 3s minus of a plus b plus c. Am I correct? Equals to, now what do you get it? 3k plus 5k, 8k plus 7k, that is 15k. You might have understood this step. Now this a plus b plus c is replaced by, that is the perimeter of the triangle 2s. So now this implies we get 3s minus 2s equals to 15k. So that means s is equal to 15k. We get the s value. As we know the s value, from equation 1 we get the a value in terms of k. From equation 2 we get the b value in terms of k. In the similar manner we get the c value from equation 3 in terms of k. So then easily we can find out the ratio among a, b, c. So that is the planning. So from equation 1, substituting s for 15k here. 15k minus a is equal to 3k. That implies a equals to, bring minus a that side, 3k this side. So 15k minus 3k, which equals to 12k. Now from equation 2. So now in the equation 2, s for 15k we have to replace. So replacing 15k instead of s. So we get from equation 2 15k minus b equals to 5k. Here b equals to 15k minus 5k, which equals to 10k. Now from equation 3, in equation 3, s for 15k let us replace. So now replacing 15k, so we get 15k minus c equals to 7k. So the take c that side, 7k this side. C equals to 15k minus 7k after transposition. We get 8k. Am I correct? Now we need to find out the ratio among A, B, C. Therefore, A is to B is to C. Here A equals to 12k. 12k is to B equals to 10k is to C equals to 8k. It is the ratio among A, B, C. We can get cancel k, k, k. We have 12 is to 10 is to 8. So we need to express in the simplest form. So that means what is the common factor for 12, 10 and 8? So let us try 2. 2 6 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 4 ja. Hence it is the simplest form is 6 is to 5 is to 4. This is which need to be proved. We check it. 6 is to 5 is to 4.